Dan in Doncaster, England writes, Paul, recently one of my beloved cord monoblocks failed spectacularly. Don't you hate it when your amp dies spectacularly? Smoke, flames, oh my gosh, I'm sorry. and it gave nearly 30 years, but alas, it's beyond repair. Well, hey, you get 30 years out of an amp, you're doing good. These amps were putting out 350 watts at 8 ohms into my ATC SCM 40s. I picked up a Rotel 1582 MK2 as an interim that is only putting out 200 watts into 8 ohms. Whilst, I love that, whilst I am enjoying some more detail retrieval, I have lost a significant amount of scale. It led me to wonder which would be the best to upgrade, the power amp back up to 300 watts or more sensitivity in a speaker, say 89 or 90, replacing the harder to drive ATC's 85 dB. That's, well, I mean, look, the simple answer, you had 300 watt amplifiers that floated your boat, that made everything, I mean, for 30 years you were happy, right? Now, it's well known that I'm not a particular fan of ATC speakers. I mean, they're beautifully built. We have a pair upstairs. We used them for a long time for studio monitors at Octave Records. I just think they do not fit my personal tastes in music, okay? So my first thing is, hey, get yourself a new pair of speakers, dude. But I want to say right up front my prejudice towards those speakers. I'm just not a fan. And great company, great stuff, but not a fan. Chord electronics, really good stuff. Hard to go wrong. It's really, in a way, I'm not there. I haven't heard anything, so it's not really my place to tell you which way to go. But were it me, I would say it's time for you to get new speakers. I think the industry has come a long way over these past 30-something years. And I think you could probably do really well with a great sounding amp that doesn't have to be 300 watts and a spectacular pair of reasonable 87, 88, 89 dB loudspeakers. I think you'd be in really good shape. But take into consideration my personal prejudice. If you really like those ATCs, then the answer is really clear. Go out and get yourself a nice 300, 400, 700 watt amplifier, and you'd be happy as a clam.